This video features iBoomerang, a travel technology company, for a personal discount travel site that's free to use and free to keep. Hey guys, I'm in parts unknown and I'm going to pull off a brisket on my Raggedy grill. I filmed this on the 5th of July because I had to work on the 4th. But that doesn't make my brisket any less patriotic than yours. If you want to see how I pull this off, stay tuned. Can Daddy cook?
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Phil. Welcome to Daddy Cooks. Like I said earlier, I'm going to try to pull off a brisket here in parts unknown. I have a grill that I call Sandy. I paid too much for it. It's a real small, raggedy drum grill that really doesn't seal too good. So in order for me to maintain my temperatures, I got to adjust my fuel because I can't really adjust airflow. Makes it kind of difficult. Anyway, I'm going to pull off a brisket. I got this beautiful thing done. I'm going to show you how I did the prep, and then let's see if I can get this thing cooked so it's tender and juicy. So that it's tender and juicy. I'll be right back. All right, here's my brisket. You can see how big it is based on my hand. I didn't bore you with all the trimming, guys. I did take off the ends here and here, and they're right here so it'll fit on my grill. I did some trimming. I'm not going to bore you with that. Here's the reverse side. Very minimal trimming. All right, guys. So stay tuned. Let me get my prep work done, and we'll go out to the grill. All right, guys. It's going to be a very simple prep. I'm using mustard, and I'm going to be using, in this case, Harry Sue's Moolah Beef Rub Slap Your Daddy Beef Championship Rub by Harry Sue. Sent to me by T-Roy from T-Roy Cook. Thanks, T-Roy. Shout out, shout out. All right, let's do this quick little prep. Mustard. So, not too much. Alright, boom, snug this up real quick. Actually, you guys probably see my mistake. I'm prepping the wrong side first, so I'm just going to have to redust this one once I flip it over. Should have started with the fat cap down, but we can fix that. Nice. Put that down. Flip. Bam. Not very hard to do, folks. Notice I got a very light coat of mustard. You gotta cake it on. Back to presentation side. Give it a light dusting just because I did the wrong side first. There you go. Ba-bam. right, folks, forgive the birds, all that noise, but there's beautiful things going on. Here's my setup. Indirect hickory wood. Got a piece of hickory here. Try to get a bow in my brisket to try to keep the liquid off the top. Here we go. Look at that beautiful thing. Here we go. Ba-bam. All right, folks, here we go. Take a look at that. I just replenished my fuel. I let that catch real good, but that's where I'm at. 2.5 hours in. I had to add more fuel and more wood. So there we go. More to follow. All right, folks, this thing's hit its stall. That's what it looks like right there. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it, wrap it, and put it back. All right, be right back.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People gonna say when you walk by, girl, you should wear a name tag. I need you on the dance floor, 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
All right, guys, we are done. This is beautiful. You see I lost a little bark here, it's soft. I think that comes because I didn't have it wrapped tight enough in that area. Those experienced folks, please let me know. All right, let's do the cut taste. The cut test right through the middle. Forgive my crappy knives. See? Oh yeah. Slice out of here. Still hot. That's why I got 2 gloves on. Alright, let's go for a slice, about a pencil thick. Tender. How's that, folks? How's that? For nice and tender. Goes up underneath its own weight. Let's do the pull test. Nice and tender. I'm gonna do a taste test, and then I'm gonna bring somebody else in to do one if I can. That's amazing. Let me find me a taste tester. I'll be right back. And now, what I'm here to feature. iBoomerang is a company that specializes in travel technology. You can receive a personal discount travel site that's free to use and free to keep. Because of membership savings, our prices are much cheaper than our competitors. Here's an example of our iGo site, which is cheaper than Expedia and Travelocity. Here you see the iGo rent-a-car prices and resorts are also cheaper. And if you go to any other online site and find a cheaper price, you'll get a 110% refund of the difference on hotels, cars, and weekly stays. Do you boomerang? Yes, I boomerang. If you're interested in a free site, the information will be in the description box. And if you're interested in possibly doing this as a business, there'll be a presentation link also in the description box. All right, guys, look. The brisket came out fantastic. I tasted it, but I don't want you to take my word for it. My buddy Steven's here, and he's gonna give you a taste test. And he's been smoking for 2 years. I'm trying to talk him into start a YouTube channel. Help me out. Anyway, here we go. He hasn't tasted it yet.
Here we go. Man, that's good, man.
Here's,
Man, that was on point.
you getting some smoke?
Oh, yeah.
Getting some heat? Tell the world, man. Is it good?
No, it's perfect.
Oh, shit.
Perfect, man.
Nice.
I don't even want to stop.
Eat it up, man. Y'all heard it, folks. I'm gonna get the camera out of his face. Tear it up, bro. There it is, guys. You heard it from a friend. It's perfect. But bam. Anyway, my girls, if they were here, would call me Daddy. And can Daddy cook?
You can cook.
Daddy,
You can cook.
there you go. I see you when I see you. Can Daddy cook?
Mm-hmm.